Hi, it's Emily from WTI. Welcome to my jungle. You know what? I can never get enough planters for all of my houseplants, but I have to admit, the absolute favorites of my collection are this set from LuxenHome. These two white planters with these gold bases just stand out above and beyond the rest as the most luxurious looking and gorgeous plant holders that I have. They are designed to set your pot down into and not plant directly into. They're not 100% waterproof, but I love that feature because I love to swap out the plants that are sitting in my different planters and move them around my home so that I can really showcase different planters at different times. Every time I move these down into my living spaces, they become absolute conversation pieces and everybody asks me where I got them. I love the beautiful white design of the pots and then the gorgeous gold stands. They just set in and out very easily. These were really easy to put together. It just was a matter of unfolding the gold base and screwing in one screw. I think that these pots from LuxenHome are a perfect addition to your home jungle, and I think that they would match almost any decor. I love them downstairs where I have a little bit more Art Deco thing going on, but I also think they look beautiful up here in my boho bedroom as well. I'm a huge houseplant aficionado and I love a gorgeous planter, and I have to say, these really truly are my favorites. I think they're great. I think you'll love them too, and that's my point of view.